Hi, I'm Lalit Vasist. A tachyon is a hypothetical particle that always travels faster than light. It is also known as tachyonic particle. The possibility of particles moving faster than light was first proposed by Robert Ehrilch and Arnold Sommerfeld, independently of each other. This term comes from Greek word tachy, that means rapid. Two complementary particle types that are known to exist are called luxons and bradyons. Luxons are the particles that always move at the speed of light, and bradyons are the particles which always move slower than light. Here we are talking about tachyons, also known as tachyonic particles that always move faster than light. Now, let me tell you one very interesting thing about tachyons. The mass of tachyons is imaginary. If you didn't get it, let me explain it to you. Actually, the mass of any object at rest is different from its mass when it moves. But we do not observe this difference in mass at speeds much lesser than the speed of light. But when the speed of object is comparable to the speed of light, then we cannot neglect this change in mass at this high speed. As we are talking about tachyons that always have a speed higher than the speed of light, we have to consider this change in mass. So for such fast moving particles, the rest mass is different from the relativistic mass. Here is the formula that explains the relationship between the rest mass and the relativistic mass, that is the moving mass. According to this formula, mr is equals to m naught divided by square root of 1 minus v square by c square. Here mr is the relativistic mass, that is the moving mass of the object. M naught is the rest mass, which is invariant mass. V is the velocity of the object and c is the speed of light. Now let's focus on the formula. As we know that the speed of tachyonic particles is always greater than the speed of light. That is, here in this case, v is greater than c. So v divided by c will be greater than 1. Also, v square divided by c square would also be greater than 1. Now, on subtracting a number which is larger than 1 from 1, we will get a negative number. And we know that the square root of a negative number is not real. It is an imaginary number. As you can see on the screen, the square root of minus 1 is called iota. It is denoted by I. From the formula, if we assume that the rest mass of tachyons is imaginary, then we will have imaginary numbers in the numerator and also in the denominator of this formula. So this imaginary part will cancel out and we will have a real relativistic mass. For example, I have written here 2 iota divided by 3 iota. Then this iota will cancel out and we will have 2 divided by 3, a real number. So from this discussion, we can say that the mass of tachyons will exist only when they will travel faster than light. Unlike ordinary particles, the energy of a tachyon decreases as its speed increases. Note that this is just opposite to the ordinary particles where increase in speed results in increased energy. As the ordinary particles cannot travel faster than light, in the same way tachyons are forbidden from slowing down to below the speed of light, because infinite energy is required to reach the barrier from either above or below. You will be surprised to know that tachyons can be used to time travel. A tachyonic anti-telephone is a hypothetical device in theoretical physics that could be used to send signals into one's own past. So friends, did you enjoy this interesting information about tachyons? If yes, then please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel Engineering Made Easy for more such interesting videos. See you soon in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.